So here we're going to take a quadratic function from standard form and put it in vertex form. We know the vertex form of a quadratic function is f of x equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k, where hk is the vertex. We're going to start with this one here, where a is 1. First, we're going to group the terms with the variables. So I get x squared plus 6x grouped together minus 5. I'm now going to complete the square inside my parentheses here. So I'm going to pull my 6 aside, divide it by 2 to get 3. My square is going to be x plus 3 squared, which means I have to add a 9, or 3 squared, inside those parentheses to make that perfect square. But because I added these inside the parentheses and my negative 5 is on the same side of the equation, here's my equal sign, I also have to subtract 9 outside the parentheses. This will give me the quantity x plus 3 squared minus 14. This is my f of x. My vertex is then the point negative 3, negative 14. Now we're going to write a quadratic equation from standard form to vertex form where a is something other than 1. So let's take f of x equals negative 3x squared plus 12x plus 7. Again, my first step is to group everything with variables together, leave my constant outside of the parentheses. Now, before I can complete the square, my leading coefficient has to be 1. So I have to factor out my negative 3. So I'm factoring out negative 3. This will give me negative 4x. My plus 7 outside the parentheses just stays as a plus 7 for right now. Next, I'm going to complete this square. So I'm going to take my negative 4 aside, divide it by 2 to get negative 2. My square then becomes x minus 2 squared, which means I have to add negative 2 squared inside the parentheses. X squared minus 4x plus negative 2 squared is 4. But notice that this is being multiplied by 3, negative 3. So what I've really done is I've really added negative 12 inside my parentheses. So I have to add positive 12 outside my parentheses. This will give me my equation in vertex form. And negative 3 times the quantity x minus 2 squared plus 19, where my vertex is the point 2, 19. I hope this helps.